In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a demo account inside of cTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to cTrader.com. Also put a link to that down in the description below for you to check out. From here you should bring something like this, and there's actually two ways to get an account inside of cTrader. The first one is to go up here and click Start Trading, and then from here you'll be able to see all the brokers that support cTrader. From here you can choose the specific one where you can click Open an account, for example with Pepperstone or IC Market, and then from here you'll just need to sign up right here, and then from here you'll get an example Pepperstone account, and you'll be able to directly connect your Pepperstone account with a cTrader. You'll also be able to go up here to the login page right here and click login. And then from here you'll be able to sign up using either your email address, into your password, and click I'm not a robot and do this little captcha, or you can continue with your Google account. Once you open that, you'll simply need to go over to the brokers again and open and connect directly into one of these brokers that cTrader offers. So just click, for example, here Pepperstone. Then a new Pepperstone app will open up where you can create a Pepperstone account, and from here you can directly connect each other and open up cTrader and start trading. But to get cTrader, you'll simply need to click Get cTrader and download for either Windows, Mac, web browser, or any of these other ones down here. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!